No need to go to the repair store. When you get a punctured tire, we can use this fast tire mending device. It's a non-destructive tire repair. Screw it in directly, and it'll be done in a minute. This is a time-saving and labor-saving way to mend the tire. Don't go to the 4S store to repair the tire. It's a waste of time and money. It's available in different sizes. Strong and firm, no air leakage. You only need a screwdriver to fix the tire. Even a girl can fix it easily. This won't hurt the tire. The more it is screwed, the tighter it gets. High elasticity and toughness. It can be used for all kinds of tires. Today only. The original price will be restored tomorrow. If you have a car, hurry up and place your order.